Okay, guys out there with this Audi 2007 A6 Quattro. If you have a problem where the engine is hesitating and misfiring, and you have like 500 codes, and the car has no, what is it? Long crank. It doesn't want to start right away. You know, it takes a long time for it to start, and after it starts, it hesitates and misfires, and it has a bunch of check engine light codes. All right, now if you have any codes related to the fuel pump pressure regulator, if you have any problems with that kind of a code related with bunch of other codes, misfires and stuff like that, you most likely have a problem with this part. Okay, the part is called the high pressure fuel pump. Okay, it's a common problem with these cars. They go bad, and the regulator inside here, this is the regulator, and this is the code that you're getting, the regulator. And as you see, we tested it and it's bad, and it is located under the intake manifold, and you gotta take out a bunch of shit to get to this freaking part. It's in the front on an A6, and you have two of them on a V8 engine, and this one has only one. We're replacing this, right, Mr. William? Yep, 100% fixed here, right here. After it's done, this car is gonna run like a champ, right, Mr. William?
Hopefully.
Okay. What do you mean hopefully? It is.
Always.
We're gonna record that too when it's running like a champ. And we have what? How many codes on this thing? We have like freaking literally 500 codes on this thing, and a bunch of codes. So we cleared all the codes and we let it run. It kind of ran good, and then after that it misfired the next day, and misfiring, and it came back with the code fuel pressure regulator. So we cleared that again. It came back again. Actually, you can't even clear it the second time. Third time, it comes back on right away as soon as you start the car. So there's a hard code. That means the problem's there all the time. So we ordered the part, we got the part. It's roughly around $350 for this part, and it takes about 4 hours to change it. Just be careful. There's a lot of hoses and everything like that you need to change. Plastic parts in here, and they just break because the car's old, you know. So be ready to order a bunch of other stuff with it. So you gotta tell the customer, make sure that they know when you're changing this part that's under the intake manifold, you got a bunch of hoses that's all plastic, it might break, and if anything that breaks is like more than $150, $200. So, and again, we got another problem that we gonna have to fix this here. We got broke a little clip right here. It's about $180 for this stupid looking ugly ass pipe, and also actually it's worn out too. Yeah. So we're eliminating two problems here. Coolant leak problem that's gonna be happening in the future, but we're gonna fix that too. This is all worn out. We need to change that too. And then what? Gotta change the cam lobe right here. This one here, the little part right here is about $60 for that shit. And then and a hose too. We have to put a cooling hose on it, and this car is gonna run beautiful. And also we're gonna clean inside the intake manifolds, those carbons. We're gonna spray them down, let it eat through the carbon, and once we start it up, it's gonna smoke. When it's gonna be really good after that. That's it. So you don't have to take this all the way out. You don't have to. Just put a piece of wood under there, and that's it. You just work your way.
But don't tell nobody.
Yeah. All right, Mr. Willie here. Fixed the Audi. Got here. Car is running like a champ, man. This car is running beautiful now. And check engine light is off. No more hesitation.
You're lucky I have no idea what I'm doing.
Yeah, okay. And we got Audi specialized people working here. Mechanics here. Master Audi repair technicians. We got working on this Audi A6 with the hesitation problem, and replace the fuel pumps and all. You need all these damn tools to freaking get that engine, that little part out. Yeah, look at all these damn tools you need to get the damn part out. Yep. Another Audi fixed 100% by Aussie's Auto Repair in Wyckoff, New Jersey. If you have any questions in regards to your Audi, Volkswagen, BMW, you know, Mercedes and all that German cars, no problem. We fix it all. And we fixed it the first time.